36 young drivers in the state will be involved in a fatal crash. 36. Okay? For every 2 miles driven, the average driver makes 200 observations, 40 decisions, and 1 mistake. For every 500 miles, one of those decisions leads to a near collision. This is your future. You're going to come back in 3 months, 3 consecutive months, and see me for your segment 2. You're looking at your future right now. Due to lack of driving experience, the largest category of errors for young driver fatal car crashes is speeding. Your age group speeds. At around 24 years old, your brain stops developing, your insurance will drop. So it's going to take you 10 years. If you're 16, 26. If you're 15, 25. If you're 17, 27. You can't rush maturity. So that's showing you some information. The most dangerous time to drive for you guys, beginning drivers, young drivers, is 2 to 5 p.m. Because you got a lot of young drivers coming home from school, going to work, going from maybe a coffee place back to practice, maybe running home real quick, coming back. 2 to 5 is the most dangerous time, that 3-hour period for beginning drivers. May and October are the most dangerous months. You're getting real information here.